Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Connect directly to the router and open a browser. Type your router IP into the address bar. Press Enter. Log in with admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the label or your backup. Once logged in, locate the Admin or Advanced Settings menu. This is where DNS lives. Make a quick backup export of the current configuration so you can restore if needed. Keep the device on and don't interrupt power while you work. That preserves settings and prevents corruption. Once in Advanced Settings, open the WAN or Internet configuration. Many routers place DNS there or under LAN/DHCP. You want to switch DNS from automatic to manual so the router advertises your chosen servers to clients. Enter your primary DNS first and a secondary for redundancy. For example, type 1, 1, 1, 1 then 8, 8, 8, 8. Save or apply the change. Some routers require a separate commit step. After applying, reboot the router if it doesn't restart automatically. This ensures DHCP hands out the new DNS to devices. On a computer, flush the DNS cache and test resolution with nslookup or by visiting a site. You should see your chosen server returned. If pages fail to load, restore your backup or re-enter the old DNS values, then reboot. This is the fastest recovery. If problems persist, check for typos. Ensure no ISP overrides exist, and try using a different DNS provider to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.